Well, I'm just gonna do it. Hey guys. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm Rylie, and today I am going to be braiding my hair in the morning for my hair tutorial. It can be wavy and ready for my next hair tutorial. Subscribe. So let's get started. So first you brushed out your hair. You need your ponytails. Well, I'm just gonna do it. Split my hair. And I hope you checked out my other video on how to do braids in your hair. Oh, you have to braid. Send it away. I might do that. No, I'm not. My braids are done and it's time for me to go to sleep. It's going to be wavy when I take my hair out. I'm going to get right into the hair tutorial. So, you just grab a little bit, just brush the top so that I can do it. You take this part of it and you do this. You can just let that be messy because we're not working with that right now. Now let's do the other side. You could just leave them like that, but that's not what I'm gonna do. Now, twist it. Start wrapping it around the ponytail to try to make like a little bitty bun. I'm gonna tie that bun up. There's one bun, and it's done. Bam! 2 buns. Ta-da! That's what your hair will look like. The pigtail buns. If you want to zoom in on that, you can. And then look how roughly it is down here. Alright guys, that's all for this video. I hope you enjoyed it. Subscribed. And hit the notification bell so you're the first one to know when another one of my videos comes out.